Damn, miss, you got one. Damn, miss, you got one.
What up? What up? What's going on, guys? I'm looking for cells, you guys. On GJ. Yeah, I think GJ has a very high chance of coming down to the support level here. Just clear this. GJ has a very high chance of coming down to the support level. Looking clean. We got formed the resistance there. And now we're just coming down to the next support. Like a range. We're gonna come down to the support. You know, 1 hour closed bearish, you know. Looks like we're gonna come down today. 4 hours been bearish, like yeah, probably gonna come down today. Like once we break the support level, we can probably look for more sells coming down to the next support level down here. Also clean. Yeah, so the sell count, you know, pretty clean today. You know, it's pretty simple today. You know, wait for a breakout of this range, to come down to the next range, down at the support. Break out of this range, we're gonna come down to the next support. That's how that is. You got news today? Oh, no news. We got no, we got no news today. Damn. Yeah, it's gonna be a straight up, just a straight, simple day today. No news or anything on the line. Goes on today. Not much. Range. US 30. That's gonna come down as well. Let's see. Yeah, cause like if you look at GJ, they kind of closed bearish here. So this candle here, it closed doji, right? So it's not the cleanest candle. So we have like a chance of coming down to like the support. Like this candle here closed bearish doji at this heavy resistance on daily time frame. Like this is a pretty heavy resistance that we formed that we're respecting right now. So perhaps you can maybe come down to like maybe these support levels down here. See. On like the 1 hour. Looks like we're gonna come down to that. I mean, just yeah, like a lot of people are in sales right now, and I can see why. Looks very clean. Look left, it should be clean traffic coming down to the support. There's literally nothing else stopping it coming down to the support here. Just look left, you know. You have this area right here. That right there. That's what you should be looking at right now on GJ. This is all you should be focused on, this area. And if you look right, where else does it have to go? It's coming into that support, you know? It's clean traffic. So those are very clean. And if you look left after that, you should be focused on this level. So if you miss sells here, don't worry about it, because you have sells below this level as well. I think close no bond wick though, but 30 minutes still open. Let's see. Where the hell are these other guys at? Hold on. Not so yet. 4 hour support. 4 hour looks like it's gonna come down to Phil's wick and continue to come down today to 137.811. Perhaps more. But you should expect this 1 hour, 4 hour kind of come down minimum to like at least like these levels here. I don't see why not. Yeah, wick fill, and we should eventually break this wick to come down further down. Go on a smaller time frame. Get like every single time frame, bro. You can't just rely on the 4 hour daily time frame, 4 hour weekly, 1 hour, every time frame, bro. I would have gotten it still as we broke this 30-minute low here, but like I wasn't here for charts at the time. This would have been my original trade. About this. Those stops there, and TP would have been like right here. Would have been clean. There it is. You just tapped that support level, guys. You guys got in. Congratulations. Target for GG has been tapped. So if you miss the sells, guys, don't stress at all, right? Like I mentioned, you have more sells coming down to the support once you break this level here. You have sells coming down to the support down here. So look left. You have all that move. You have like a nice, like a 4 pip range, 50 pip range here. So you should be chilling. Should be good. I think once this hourly candle closes here in 9 minutes, you can get potential sells and come down to the next support level around this area here. But it closes in 9 minutes, right? So be patient. Hopefully this kind of retraces up a little bit. You get better like wick fill candle to come down. But if it closes below, I'll prefer it to close below actually. So If you have stops at the hourly low though, that's gonna be 24 pips. So let's see if we could get like a smart stop on 15. Let's see how this is last 15-minute kind of forms. Kind of crucial. Kind of important. So let's see. Target if 138.253 break. Why is the font so big today? I should not leave it. It's pretty fine. Yeah, so this is the original target, guys. We tapped the original target, so now we should be headed towards the next target once we break the support level. GJ, look at the structure, complete sells. Everyone's just showing us bearish momentum right now, especially the 4 hours. This trade was mainly based on the 4-hour time frame. And if this is a wick fill, and we're breaking the lows right now in the wick fill, we should expect it to come down further down to probably these support levels down here. You could picture something like this. Okay, picture this exact candle here on GJ coming down to the support, like so, and eventually continue down further. I wouldn't be surprised if GJ drops further today, maybe to like 137,400. But let's see. This is just first targets here, next logical targets. So let's not get too far of ourselves, but yeah, it should be good to come down to the support. CHF, NOK, and Euro. Oh man. No, brother. No, brother. So if you guys took sells earlier, leave a like on the stream. I know I didn't get in because I started stream kind of late today, like about 5 minutes late. A little past 6:30. So I can't miss my sells, but it's all good. I'll cash those later on. If you guys caught sells, leave a like on the stream. Sells were clean. The T, very clean. All you gotta do is really like just focus on lower ranges in the markets. Like you don't have to like focus on do too much in the markets. You don't have to go on like you don't have to really hold position all the way down to this daily time if you don't want to. Look for like arrows. Like you just gotta realize when the market will move and how it will move and where it will move to. That's all you gotta figure out. If you have this huge count right here, what do you think's gonna happen after? This kind of broke below the range. This next kind of closed below the range. 100% closed below the range. With a nice wick. Stops aren't bad at all. Your entry would have been here. All you gotta do is look left. What do you're focused on this area right here? Look left. Price came down to that support level. The support level. So that was. So now in the future, whenever price comes back, let's say for example this happens now in the future. Let's say for example now you have this. You have this. You have this in the future, right? And now you have like something like this. Bullish channel closure support. Boom, coming back into range. This kind of right, this bullish channel. What are you gonna do now? Take buys now. This is where you'll take buys at. You take buys here. TP above this level right here. That would be your trade. Why? Because we're coming back inside the same range now. This is clean traffic. Back in the same range. That's all you gotta do. All ranges are valid. Even in the future. It just depends on the scenario. You know, if this same scenario were to happen that just drew out, you'll take buys there coming back in the range. Now this would be a fake out down and go up. Even further. Alright, that's all that is. It's pretty simple. Resistance broken on 15-minute. Yeah, I'm waiting for this 1 hour close there. People are already making fake accounts for the giveaway. The giveaway that we have, guys, people are making fake accounts for it. They're making spam accounts so they can have a better chance of winning. I mean, sure, I mean, but like, I think that's kind of illegal, guys. Should I kick them out? People are making literally fake accounts just so that they could have an edge on the giveaway. Which is pretty crazy, but you know. Oh man. If you guys haven't yet, go check out the giveaway on our Instagram page. You know, if you guys haven't entered yet, go enter. It's a free giveaway. There's no charge at all. It's a free course that we're gonna give away on Friday. So Friday stream, that's when you guys will have that's when this will be we'll pick out the winners on live stream too. So it's not no, you know, I'm not gonna rig or anything. You know, it's all gonna be picked on live. Make sure you go check it out. Everyone else sleeps today? I mean, shit, I'm pretty asleep today too. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. These guys are probably sleeping. Yeah. If you guys had checked the Instagram stories yesterday, people were asking me the reason why I posted these was it was these things was because people are literally asking me, hey Don, where's the free education at? That like you should make more videos explaining candles or something. Like I explain this stuff every day in the live streams, literally every morning. Chat, do I not chat? Like people are literally asking me, oh Don, can you make a video on this? Can you make a video on that? I'm like, I literally explain all these little things like every day. If you want me to explain it within like videos, that's where you have the course. But I can only do so much for free, bro. Like if you're on the live streams every day, bro, for a good even a week, bro, you get so much knowledge and gains out of it. Like, you even have to get the course, right? Unless you want like a lot more detailed stuff, but like, man, like, there count wick fills, this and that, like it's literally on the streams, man. It just, you know. And the thing is, on stream it's live too, so I explain it live at current time when it actually happens. And people are just, I don't know, people are just lazy, I guess, man. I don't know. But people just ask me the same questions, like, no, why isn't there a part 2 video of the channel video? Or, I don't know, man. People are just lazy. Let's say GG's gonna respect this level here. Let's see. We haven't broken the lows here or anything yet, so see what happens here. See GG though. Like, look at it. You have this. Like, yeah, I realize what's tradable and what's not tradable, and I feel like oh, make your life way easier. Like for me, for example, like this is like Asian last night. I did not trade. Why didn't I trade? Because this wasn't as clear to me. Like, it was clear because I did call buys on GJ till this target here for Asian. That's all I did though. I literally called buys to this target. I'm like, okay, we're gonna catch a nice 15 pip move there. I didn't give anything else. No day target or anything because I knew that there was gonna be much much volume for us to go up today, right? So I'm like, okay, maybe we can come up to this target, and that was it. But I didn't look for me personally. I didn't enter in buys because it was wasn't as great. But we eventually tapped the target, and then see how we tapped the target and we started struggling after, started rejecting, coming back down, and boom. Now you have this huge range. What do you do below this range now? You wait for sells below this target, coming down to in this range. This is where you take your sells at, and boom. Now what do you do now? You have this minor like support here, so you can just wait out a little bit, wait for the support to be held. You don't trade it, and after the support breaks, if it were to break, you can take nice sells coming down to this support. So it's kind of like red. It's kind of, you can't trade this, range a little bit, trade it, range a little bit, and trade it. That's what it is. But if you're looking for sells right now, it might be a little risky. I would prefer you wait for the support to be broken here. I gotta just look left. Are you gonna trade now? No, I'm not. We're on the 5th Elliott wave. You support the idea. Sure. It's just like, well, I guess I just explained the most simple thing ever, just by drawing green and red boxes, and this guy goes and says, we're on the 5th Elliott wave. It's like, well, it's just once we break the support, we're gonna come down further. That's all that is. You see a difference though? You don't have to do too much, man. All you gotta do is draw a line in a box, wait for that support to be broken, and boom, take a sell. So you can just tell a difference between the two strategies, whatever it is. It's very simple, guys. You shouldn't make it harder on yourselves, man. I think buys because they stay above, and I'm gonna take profit when it hits resistance. Yeah, I'll say probably like if we break like this 15-minute candle high here, we have a high chance of are shooting up, coming up to this resistance level right here. Gen 4 consolidating period. Maybe once it breaks this is broken, we might have a new trend. I don't know if we're gonna have a new trend. Let's see. I'm expecting us to come down to the support if it breaks, but like daily time frame is all way bullish. Like I'll say until we break 136, 749, 750, we're just gonna be bullish for a day until we break that 136 700 level. If you break the support here, we're gonna come back down. You can see we're gonna come back down to like 134, etc. Right? But until then, we're technically still bullish. We're just at this amount of resistance, so price doesn't have enough like momentum, volume to go up. So yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, weekly is still bullish as well, right? So just gotta remember, it's only Tuesday, and on Thursday we have rate cuts for the pound, so it might be a little dead until then. Let's see though, we might get some volume in later. But yes, this session was much easier to trade than today's session. I can just tell off the bat. More volume yesterday. So my viewers in a half hour. Are you coming up in the World TV freestyle soon forward? Hello. Yeah, we hit 1K subs, bro. Remember? Was it 1K subs or 1K live viewers? I forgot what it was when we made that bet. You know, these guys over here are just not on the stream. So you know what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna pick people that actually wants to ask questions. Ask me. I'm gonna pick people from the live stream call that actually wants to you know ask questions, ask good questions. And so we can provide education for everyone. I'm pretty sure everyone has the same questions, similar. So hopefully we'll have good questions there. Let's see. I'm gonna send him a link.
It respected the 15.
What's up?
It
Oh.
respected the 15.
The GJ?
Mhm.
Yeah, it did. It didn't break the high. Shit, it came. That's close. Shit. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, let's see.
There's still 5 minutes though, so
Yeah. GG dead, like, bruh. You're reckless, holy shit. How do you plot the support and resistance on your chart? What time frame, like, do you get the zones? Yeah, so, pretty much, just look left. Mainly, it's all looking left. That's all that is. Just look left on GG here. There's a support being formed there. So I just drew my support at that level. Same thing for here. Support was formed here, right there. So I drew my support at that level. I just extended it for the future. So if GG were to come down, it will come down to the support. That's how I drew this first support here. And this resistance is based on the fact that if you look left, there's traffic there. So wherever there's traffic, that's usually where I'd put it. See? Traffic there and traffic here. Because in between your ranges should be nice clean candles, and that's what I feel that's the most important thing. See, nice clean candles, nice clean candles. That's how that is. What up, Henrique? What up, bro?
Yeah, man. What's up? What's up? Thanks for inviting.
Yeah, man. You know, these guys aren't showing up today, so I figured that you guys would actually want to be on it. You know?
They're from the USA, right?
They're sleeping. Yeah, one of them. He said Jimmy said he has like a loud roof right now because he's doing construction or something. So. And then the other guy Sam's probably sleeping. Yeah. That's from Canada. It's from my city.
I got it. There's some things happening in the US, right? Tornado or something like this. I don't know.
Yeah. You know, my friend, South Carolina. Where is it again? Yeah, South Carolina. There's a hurricane.
Yeah, hurricane. Exactly.
Oh, we're bringing the support now.
I was you're thinking to get into sales.
Are you looking at it too? Yeah, I'm looking at sells. I want this candle to close below. This 15-minute candle close below. I'll take sells in. If this 15-minute candle just closes right here, stop's gonna be like, you know, like 11 to 12 pips depending.
I still have a small runner. I took a sell earlier.
Oh, earlier, yeah, yeah. Runners will be lovely. So 138, 137, 878. The next support. Yeah, so GJ, I guess it just respected the highs or didn't want to go up. I guess respected the highs, should come down now.
Yeah, the weekly closed below 139. It is respecting a lot. 130, 138, 600. It's respecting a lot. I think once the weekly closes above, we can have a nice run.
Yeah. We need the daily or daily even the daily candle to close bullish above like 139, above like 139 would be good for daily closure and bullish. Then we can take buys again for the rest of the week.
If you look on the left on the weekly, man, there's a huge so, clean traffic. But till then, sells.
Yeah, 30-minute looks so clean, guys. I think I'm gonna take sells once we close below here.
Yeah, 15 is closing.
Yeah, I was trying on 1 hour time frame or multiple time frames. I train on 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily and weekly. All of them. Like I maybe focus on this time frame to enter off of, but my analysis is based off like higher time frame. Like this analysis is based off the 1 hour as well as the 4 hour time frame, as well as the daily closing bearish doji. You know, all time frames are like implemented into this one entry on the 30-minute or 15-minute. But it's not just like I look at the 15-minute and I would just look at that one time frame. Yeah, 15 looks like it did not close below here.
Yeah, close right at support, right?
Yeah. I guess we're waiting for a 30-minute, guys. Yeah, be patient.
How did you predict that yesterday on Asian it would be rangy? Man, it was down.
Honestly, bro, it's just I think it was the 4 hour. Hold on, what time is this? Around here, right? Just looking at it, I think it was a 4 hour, right? Just by looking at this, like, what do you like? You know, looking at this, like, I didn't expect much. Well, actually, no, it was a day time frame. Actually, it was a day time frame. It's a doji candle, and it closed at resistance, meaning that it won't have volume to go up. So it has volume to go down majority, like mainly has majority to go down, but it's just that the trend is bullish. So what do you think's gonna happen? It kind of like evens out, like kind of like, you know, rangy type day. Like, you see what I mean? It takes a lot more experience to figure things out, but I don't know, I guess the more I'm on charts, the more I realize, like, just, you know, days at resistance, you know, candle close bearish doji. This kind of has it's not gonna go up, you know. It has a resistance here, and it's gonna obviously gonna have a better chance of coming down. But it's just that when it comes down, it might just be a bit rangy because the override trend is bullish. So it's kind of like, yeah. That's why I want like a daily candle closure above this range here, so we can actually go up with a lot more volume today. Days like these, I just take it very slow, guys. Try not to like really push anything. I think when GJ breaks the support, I'm gonna look for styles here. Break this low here. Look for nice
15.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. About to break.
Yeah, I'm in styles here, guys. On styles, guys. Styles for me are gonna be like 12 pips. 30-minute high. CPs of me is gonna be like down here. Or oh my god, I didn't send this in. Yeah, so my stops are up here because if this candle were to flip bullish, it shouldn't flip back. Like this, if this candle wants to drive down, okay, obviously this is the high of the 1 hour as well, right? This is the 1 hour high, right? See, this is the 1 hour high. So if this is the high of the 1 hour, price should make a low, right? So if we're making lows, this should be the high that price should respect. So the 15 closed bullish as well, so I mean that we shouldn't even break this high if you want to go up. I mean, if you want to go down, sorry. So yeah, I'm in sales here, guys. Should be clean traffic coming down to the support down here at these levels here. All you gotta do is look left, guys. That's all you gotta do. I think, guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss, guys, to this low here. So now I'm only risking 5 pips on the trade instead of. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm not gonna move it just yet.
Let's see if the next 30-minute can close below supports.
Yeah, 10 minutes here. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Might as well just wait it because I only took one trade today. So usually, if I took another trade earlier, I'll maybe would have moved my stops lower down to this, reduce more risk, like be more aggressive on stops. But you know, it's my only trade for a day. I guess it's my first trade for a day, and I didn't trade Asian, so I'm just gonna let it run. 12 pips is fine for me. 12 pips is not even that bad at all. Up a stop.
Oh, it's on Fridays in NFP, huh?
Yeah, Friday's NFP too. Yeah.
NFP.
Friday NFP giveaway. It's gonna be a lit stream Friday. It's gonna be a lit stream Friday, guys. So you know, if you guys have me, make sure you get into the giveaway because Thursday doors are closed. You can't enter after Thursday. Don't ask me Friday morning. Don, can I enter? Don't ask me right before the raffle. I mean the wheels will spin and be like, no. Don, can I please enter, please? You know, you had the whole week. How to enter the giveaway? Go check the Instagram post. Controller_FX on Instagram. Check this post out. It'll show you how to enter. Make sure you follow the rules too, because you know some guys really don't be following the rules, man. I see people just comment and done without I check too, you know, I pay attention to detail. I check. You can tell I pay attention to detail. So make sure you follow the rules, guys. Or else we get disqualified. 44666, dude. Why do you guys texting caps? It's like you're yelling at me, man. I don't like being yelled at. Literally yelling at me.
Caps lock is broken, man.
Yo, your caps. Yeah, fix that, man. Your caps lock is broken. I am trust you, dude. 15-minute. Like, you're yelling at me, bro. Man.
Dumbo, I entered off the previous 15 and with the stops on the previous 15 high,
Yeah.
and it didn't break it.
It broke it?
No, it didn't.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh shit. Come right there, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
I got really lucky.
Yeah, but you got pretty you got way there. Yeah, your background's not loud, bro. You can just leave your mic on mute if you want. I think you fixed your mic or something. It used to be loud, but I don't know what happened.
My mic?
Yeah, it's pretty fine. It's not loud anymore.
No.
You just leave it on mute. Well, if it gets loud, I'll tell you, but it's pretty quiet. Sounds pretty fine. They want to hear DVL. Good trade. Thanks, bro. Let's see. Let's see if we actually. I'm probably gonna close half you guys at 10 pips. Let the runner go. Let the runner go until the next target. 10 pips for me would be around right there. 133, 138, 130 is where I'll close probably half at. And the rest is just a runner. I know I said I wasn't attempting runners for August, but you know, these trades look amazing, man. For me not to attempt a runner. Oh, 44666, you fixed it. Wow, congrats, bro. You fixed the caps.
You got it, man.
I tying the stops. Yeah, that makes sense as well. I was on tying the stops as well. I was gonna put my stops to this high right here, but I'm just gonna leave a 30-minute high because if we were to break the 15-minute, if we were to come back up and close bullish here, the 30-minute will still technically be bearish. So technically we shouldn't break this high anyways if we want to drive down the 30-minute high. So I'm just it's also my first trade of the day. So I'm just I'm fine with risking 12 pips as my probably one and only trade for today because today is very rangy. So I'm gonna be a bit more cautious today.
Hey Don, which week do you think is the one that we should be more cautious? The last week of the month or the first one?
First week.
First week.
Yep. Both weeks actually, but usually just the first week is worse, a little bit worse. Like this week, Actually, no. I don't know. It's just it ranges between the first and the last week. It depends on like where what happens with news, like what happens with if there's any news that week or anything. But yeah, this week it looks like it's gonna be a slow week to me. I don't know. This is me though. Last week wasn't so bad, to be honest. The second and third week are the best weeks to trade.
Yeah.
In the month. It's the middle of the month. Ooh, come down here. Nice. 8 pips in profit, guys. Thing about this trade is that when it's 10 pips in profit, my stops are at break even. I can't even put my stops to, the highs or anything. So, see what happens there. Oh, about to be 10 pips in profit here any second. I think I'll move my stops to entry, guys. Better run risk free on this trade. But I close half here at 10 pips too. Perfect. I closed half for you guys at 10 pips, and now I'm leaving our runner until the next target. So, if you guys took this trade, leave a like on the stream because you guys ate today. Breakdown, everything given on the stream. Oh my god, bro. I wasn't recording the call. Oh my great. Oh shit. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so guys, I'm through the trade here. You know, I'm closing half here at 10 pips. Now I'm leaving running to the next target. Oh shit, I wasn't recording a Zoom call, man. The highlight video might be a little skippy today. You know, you might see this, guys. Well, guys, I'm looking for sells below the support. At their next clip, so I'm gonna be like, oh, guys, I'm closing half here at 10 pips. You missed the whole action. It's all good though. That should come down further here. I didn't close 50% here, guys. I closed like 100% here. You know, I say close 50 just in general for you guys to close whatever you guys want to. You guys don't have to close if you guys don't want to, but usually I just close partials at whatever 10 pips. In this case, I closed 70% though. Leaving. Why is my perfect? You know, if you guys see the trade here, leave a like on the stream. About 80 viewers watching right now. 80 viewers made money today, so you know it's pretty crazy. You know, pretty crazy. Started group hello. Back in March, had like 20 viewers, 15 viewers. At one point for a whole month we had like 8 viewers. You know, just 8 viewers watching. Now we have like a whole classroom, so more than a whole classroom. Probably like 2-3 classrooms here, 2.5 classrooms. So I'm pretty grateful for that. You know, just been providing the same content every day. Like even when we had 8 viewers on the stream, man, I was providing the same value, same knowledge, same pips. You know, and yeah, just if you come here, if you just show up every day, you'll get something on the streams. I promise you, guarantee you. You can ask anyone in the chats that's been here for longer than a month. Like Henrik here, bro. Henrik, do you have the course, bro? You don't. He doesn't have the course. See, he's always been doing his on the streams, right?
Yeah, man. I learned so much, especially with the runners. I mean, even though it's a small position, but when the runner run,
it'll make you more than your actual position. That's the crazy part.
So I took a sell earlier this morning when it broke the 30-minute low, the bullish
right
one.
there. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, and it's a small position, but it's still running. 24 pips. It's beautiful. Before I didn't used to do it. I closed.
I just feel like it's up because I have issues and problem closing before, right? So this just resolved a lot of my problems after. Like this just resolved like probably 9% of my problems, like closing full profits and all that. Pretty amazing. So that's why I do it.
Closing. Okay, close below support.
Perfect. Close below support, guys. That's just, see, so the issue we have now is that we move our stops to entry, right? Our stops at entry right here. Technically, it should still be up here, the original stops, right? On this trade originally. So technically, price shouldn't break this high if it wants to drive down. So now, the only thing we gotta survive is maybe price is gonna make a high. This count's gonna make a high. And we don't know where the high is gonna be made, but wherever the high is, as long as it doesn't tap our entry, we should be fine. If it makes a high here, you know, we should be good to come down. Move our stops down to there if you wanted to, but yeah, this is the only issue we have right now on GJ with our entry level. It might hit entry, so as long as we survive the pullback, survive the high being made on this candle, we should be good to go. Once we get that candle, we're set. Once we break this low here, we're set. We're good. Look at this, guys. Been here since stream day 1 on the Zooms. When you didn't do live streams, changed the whole game. I used to do VIP streams, like just for them, right? Because for practice before, for a couple like weeks ahead, and yeah, I guess now we just do it live on the YouTube for the public. Pretty lit. I need to improve my high time frame analysis. Can't find good at enter the 50-minute there, but overall this suffers. Yeah, I mean like look at the higher time frame though. Like your trade should be based off the higher time frame, especially just answering off of the smart time frame. I feel like that's the way you can implement all the time frames into your strategy. But guys, I think GG is having support here at this level. It might struggle to break this level for a little bit, and once we break that support, we should be good to go on the 30-minute and the 15-minute minor support there. See how there's traffic there? That's what I mean when there's support. This area right here, a lot of traffic there. So if you drag that all the way across, what does that give you? A nice support. So let's see what happens here. 1 hour looks clean though. Come down to this next support level. You know, you have this, you have this, and you have this. You know, you get the same move here. Come down to the support. What were you gonna say, Henrik?
And also the 4 hours is closing in 1 hour and a half. I think if we close below the support, I think
Yeah.
it's gonna be a bigger movement. I expect so, but it's still a long time, 1 hour and a half.
The entry you had is golden, man.
Yeah. I didn't know it would run like this, man. I closed like 80% and 12 pips and have a small runner now, 21 pips. But let's see. I enter a second entry once, the same entry as you, but I didn't close. Let's see.
Yeah. I closed like 7% of the position there. Wasn't. I usually close half, so you guys this might be odd for you guys. Why did I close 7% instead of 50%? Yeah. This is at the support here to the left is traffic here, so kind of why I kind of did it. But then, I still have a 30% runner going. All good. Yeah, this trade is a risk-free trade right now. It's a stop to entry. Shouldn't be worried about it at all.
Man, that's the best feeling, isn't it?
Yeah, best feeling when you're closing partials. Like, you don't have to close 80%. You can close like 85%, 90%. Leave a 10% runner if you want to, you know.
You know, you just move your stop loss to break even and just sit on your hands and then watch the chart. It's beautiful.
Yep. Beautiful feeling.
Hey bro,
What's up?
When did you decide to increase your lot size?
Cause like I was always ranging around like when I did increase my loss. I can't remember when I increased my loss size from a 10 like from to a 1.0. I can't remember when, but I remember when I increased it to like a 4.0 from a 1.0, like 1 to 2 to 3. Like when I did like that those steps there. I do remember that, and I did one lot at a time, to be honest. I started from 1.0, then went to 2.0, went to 3.0. It was just like guess it's like as the more capital you have, you can kind of just increase it. I guess if your comfort level as well, if your comfort level agrees with it, you know. But I feel like I'm just stuck right now. I'm just stuck at a 8.0, bro. I don't know if I can go any higher. It might take me another like couple months. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of scary. Why are you struggling to increase your lot sizes?
No, because I've been trading only for 3 months. Still,
Mm.
doing the same lot size, but
What's your lot size?
it's less than one lot. It's point 4, point 3, depends
Yeah, I
on the
mean,
stock.
until I guess maybe stick with it for a couple more months until you have more like I guess more months in the game, a little bit more consistent. So well until you see yourself being more consistent, or if you're already consistent enough, then go for it. But yeah, just as long as you're comfortable with it, you're not shitting your pants.
Exactly. Exactly. That's why I'm not increasing, because
Yeah, as long as like less than 3%. First question should be it should be less than 3% of your account for trade.
yeah,
That's the first
3%.
question. Less than 3% risk per trade. But then after that, it's just all depends on your comfort level. Whatever you want to risk.
Yeah, because for example, if my stop loss hits, I lose around, I don't know, 20 something dollars, and that exchange to my currency, though, it is a lot, So
Uh-huh.
I increase to I don't know, when once it breaks it hits the stop loss, I don't know, goes for $50, bro. I will shit my pants for sure, man.
Yeah, as long as you're not shitting your pants, that's an important question. That's the important factor. Like I used to shit my pants for 8.0 lots. Well, I never shit my pants. I was just when I increased it from a 6.8, it was a bit more scary, but I wasn't there like please don't hit my stop loss. Like I wasn't like begging for it like because like I just do the same thing either way. I'm looking for the same setups, so gotta be confident. But I think guys, I'm gonna close my full position here.
It didn't break the low, man. It couldn't. It tried and came back. The 30-minute low.
Let's see. Hold on, wait before I close it. It's about to close here in 6 minutes here. It's either you close it or you move your stops to this high. To be honest, let's see. If you break this high here, I'm gonna close full. If you break 138, 183, I'm gonna close full in my position. Cause then I'll just come up to entry. No, I think it should be capital then comfort because capital is less than 3% risk of your account, right, per trade. But if you're just going comfort level, you can literally go for 1.0 for like $1,000 account, and that's like, not, it's like that's more than 3% of your account.
Exactly.
For 10 pips average, that's like 10% of your account risking for 1.0 lot. So I feel like it should be capital then comfort. But obviously both have to align together. It can't be one or the other.
Mm-hmm.
It's 100% gotta be both. Oh, I didn't tell a VIP. Oh. I got $10 cash on my 1.0. Is that bad? No, it's fine. I get $8 for 1.0 lot. So 8 times if I use the 8.0 lot, do the math. 64 bucks for one trade. It's 750 is not bad at all. That's pretty normal. pretty good. I just moved my lot from 0.1 to 0.2 because it was only risking 1% on trades. So I bumped to 2.0.2. Yep. Started doing this week. That's fine, bro. Forget the money. It's about the move. Yeah, you obviously you should be focused on the move and not the money, but like you shouldn't be risking more than 3% of your account on either way. You know, even as much as you're confident with the trade, man. No matter what happens, you should not be risking more than 3% of your account. That's what I mean. That's why I feel like account and then comfort. Like if you were to do the trade, what's the first thing you look at? You look at your stop loss first. Am I comfortable with the stop loss? You know, is it gonna be a lot of my capital? Like you gotta figure out what loss I'm using. Am I gonna be comfortable with that loss? Well, that's the first question you ask yourself. But you don't ask yourself, well, I'm gonna make this much money, so let's go for it. You know, you're not gonna say that for yourself. Because if you take the loss, you're gonna feel like shit because you didn't plan the loss in the first place. Mm. This came down exactly 10 pips from my entry. 11 pips. Yeah, that's what I mean, bro. I'm not gonna lie though, of all three pairs today, I think GJ looks the cleanest. Of all, I used 30 gold and GJ. GJ looks the cleanest of all pairs today. Yeah, setups. How much commission is your broker take for 8.0 lots? It's $8 per lot for Trader's Domain, so $64. 8 times 8. Hey guys, yeah, I'm close my runner position here. I don't know, I'm out of trade here. So, you know, I'm gonna wait for another opportunity later in the markets once we break below the support area. I'm gonna look for sells probably below like these levels here. Cause this is a very minor support level. So maybe when New York opens up, we can get a nice push down. This 1 hour might come up to make a nice wick fill for the 1 hour to come down further. So cause look at the 1 hour. You know, 1 hour. If you look left, this 1 hour is gonna close with a nice wick fill. And below the range, meaning that we're gonna come down further down. We're gonna get a nice clean traffic candle coming down. Probably something like this. This kind of closes like that. This has to come down like this. Easily. As long as it respects this high. Should be good to go. Yeah, guys, because yeah, I might wait for the next sell opportunity. do. So yeah, this 50-minute candle also closed bullish, but it's all good, guys, because maybe it's the last it's closing bullish for a nice 1 hour wick fill, you know, because for a wick fill to be made, we have to close bullish somehow on a smart time frame. But yeah, as long as this 1 hour candle closes below 138.253, we should be coming down to the support with the New York push as well, so should be good. We have New York opening in 15 minutes here, so. There's no more TikTok, guys?
No, I think Trump banned
In US?
in the US. Yeah.
No, Microsoft trying to buy them out.
Yeah, but that's in, like they're still gonna be gone for the next couple of weeks, months. Until September 15? Oh, so-and-so is gone. RIP. See, so the Trump threatens to ban TikTok because he wants some money out of TikTok. Oh man, that's crazy. They don't want you to win, man. That's actually crazy. How much money does that TikTok owner make, bro? Just imagine coming up with an app, you know, that's just a simple app to dance and upload your videos like Vine, literally like Vine, and like it blows up. Man. And then your president says, "Oh, you're making too much money. Give me a portion." Like, what the fuck? Free Bobby Shmurda. Bobby Shmurda is free today too. A lot of shit happened today, man. Bobby Shmurda is free today as well. Is it today or 25 days? I forgot. It says August. I don't know when. But hey, man, a lot of shit happening today. Some about the money is China's control over the company. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it's about that as well. But Trump does want a cut as well on the app. I think they're using that as an excuse for Trump to get a cut of the app. He's concerned, yeah, but he said how he wants to cut a little bit too. That was trash, anyways. Man, I don't know. I don't really use TikTok like that. I was gonna use it for Control FX, but you know, yeah.
When Vine went like exploded here in Brazil,
Mhm.
it was nothing, you know. Nobody used Vine. Nobody would even know what Vine is. But TikTok, oh boy, it's so hype, man. Oh Jesus.
Is it more popular than Vine?
Oh, for sure. Here, yes. Vine. Nobody knows what Vine was.
Ooh, 15 close bullish. 15 about breaks the lows here. That's gonna be a little bit big though. I'm not sure if I'm gonna look for entries there. Or you can put a current candle if you want, but it might be a bit risky for a next candle. And pip stops.
At that
Breaking
time,
the
I felt like,
lows.
oh,
Yes,
break-
you guys can start looking for sells here. Coming down to the next support level. Me personally, I'm just gonna wait out until we actually close below his range here. I actually wanted this 1 hour candle to close with a nice wick foot, man. I didn't want it to make a move this early. Alright. Cause I wanted smaller stops. I didn't really want a big stop like this. I think Vine was better than TikTok, to be honest.
but
Back then.
Vine's is cheating?
Vine was
It's
just
cheating.
way better. I don't know. TikTok is bigger now because more kids have social media now.
Uh,
There's like younger kids too. So back then, Vine when Vine was up, it was mainly like 16-year-olds, you know, like 14, 15, 16. But now it's just like there's like 8, 9, 10 kids, like 8, 9, 10-year-olds on it, 11, 12. That's why TikTok's so big. If you enter, you could be one quite drawdown. I didn't enter here. I'm waiting for a closure below the support. I said you can start looking for sells once we're as we're breaking the support here. Set like 1 hour highs all the way up here, guys. 1 hour highs all the way up here where our original stop loss were for the first trade. Cause this, you know, that's why I wanted this kind of pull back a little bit for a nice wick foot to come down to fill the range and then eventually drop down further. Like I wanted this. This is what I wanted. I wanted this candle. You know, then you have a nice wick fill. Wick fill the range, right, and then continuation down. That's what I wanted. Exact play. But this candle decided to push all the way down. Let's see what happens there. Like we all know that price is gonna come down to support. Now it's just a factor of how we're gonna get there. And I should focus on that.
I think it's just creating a support and resistance range, and then once the New York opens, it will
Yeah.
decide either downwards. The volume will
Yep.
bring up.
If that's a fact, then yeah, we're probably gonna have to respect the 1 hour high here. As long as this high gets respected, we should be able to push down here on this next candle. Let's see, this candle can still pull back though. If it pulls back, I'm looking for nice sells. If it comes down to like here, stops are gonna be like 12 pips. I'm looking for nice sells coming down. Nice 33 pip move. I guess we have created a range now. A nice little range. Clean range. Small range for price to drop down. Fit to make resistance at 253. Yeah, that's a possibility as well. If this kind of wants to drive up here, and close like bearish, like this, the next candle can just like easily tap that resistance and then eventually come down like that. AKA making a high here. But you know, like I said, I'm pretty comfortable with my 10 pips today. Like I wouldn't go overboard. Or I wouldn't like force myself to get into the trade because I just took one trade. I took one trade today and that could be my last trade. Depending on how everything goes, but I'm pretty comfortable with my 10 pips today. Okay, cool. 1 hour, this is gonna make a nice wick, I guess. A minute left here, guys. Gotta be patient. It's also the last hour of 4 hour candle too, so expect a nice push here on GJ. Let's see. 30 stops. $17 seconds here. See how we can create like a low here? Nice low, nice wick. Expect that next candle to come down and fill that wick. It's like saying, you know, price comes down, taps the support, you know, meets the resistance. So now we're gonna get out of a nice range fill and continuation down further. Once you break below that wick, because now instead of candles being here, the support is being based off this wick right here. So that's why this candle has a higher chance of driving down once it breaks this wick. Then we're back here, because back here we're relying on this body candle, and this body candle is a body candle, so it has a strong. It's like saying it's a strong support than a wick. You know, a wick is obviously way weaker. So once it breaks this wick, it's gonna come down further.
Maybe this new hourly will go upwards, only to do a pullback and retest the
Yeah.
zone. Looking like 138 to 70.
Oh, that could be it. I'm getting sells here, guys. My second attempt for sells today. This is my last trade. TP down here. I got in as it made a high, flip back bearish is what I was waiting for. So this is the high pressure and come back to that to break this high. Nice sells today, guys. Let's see what happens here. Stops are 14 pips here, and TP is about 33 pips, 32 pips, 33 pips, around that range. FOMO? Nope, it wasn't FOMO. This is the exact candles I drew out. If you look left, I mean, if you go back a little bit, this is the exact trade I drew out. I wanted this candle to pull back. Remember this candle right here? And I explained how there's a wick fill candle come back to fill the range and eventually break the support. We're gonna come further down here. This was not FOMO at all. Come on, man. Yeah, I know you're just joking. But just imagine, you know, being on a stream. If it's on, just imagine being on a stream, being like a host, and you have FOMO. In front of like your audience, you know, like fuck, man, I should answer this right here. Like, who's gonna watch you? You know, no one's gonna watch you. I think once DJ breaks these lows, guys, and actually comes down to this low, I think I'm gonna move my stops to this candle right here. Like that. Actually, I think I'm gonna move my stops here right now, guys. I'm moving my stops to here for a negative 2 pip stop loss now instead of a nice 14 pip stop loss. Because if this is the high of the hourly, we shouldn't come back, break the highs anyways, right? If we made a high and we're coming down here, this high shouldn't be broken if it wants to drive down. So my stops are now 2 pips. So that's how I reduced my stops today on this trade. Then what are your spreads? My spreads are 0.9 pips right now. 0.9. 0.5. 0.6. 1.2. 1. 14. 1.3. It just ranges. It ranges. 0.9. Yeah, it just ranges. Around like 0.9 to like a 1.3, 1.4 ish.
Oh, it's breaking the.
There you go, guys. 10 pips on this trade, guys. I'm gonna close half here at 10 pips and I'll leave it run until TP. There you guys have it. Second trade of the day, another 10 pip trade. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Closing 50% here at 10 pips. So TP. Boom. If you guys see that trade, leave a like on the stream. There it is, guys. There it is. No drawdown trade. Move GJ, stop loss that entry. Oh. Beautiful day. So now you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Enjoy the waterfall coming down, guys. Trade broken down, you know, wick fill broken down, range broken down. Explain how this wick is very weak here, you know, compared to the before here, this body here. You know, now we're breaking the lows here. Now we have a waterfall coming down to the TP level. Now you can just sit back, relax, and just like the stream. And by the way, I'm gonna move my stops to entry as well. I forgot to mention that. So yeah, clean trade, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that trade.
And you got no dry down, right?
And you got no drawdown.
Beautiful.
You got no drawdown. Yeah. People asking about my broker. My broker's a link in the bio. Yeah, spreads aren't bad. Like my old broker is better for spreads, but this broker's just better with withdrawals and just better with my bank. If you guys took that trade, guys, leave a like and you know, how much you guys make today? 80 people watching today, guys. So like, no, another 80 people made money today. Another 80 guys made money today. You know, all you have to do is sit down today with a piece of paper. You know, write some notes down here and there. Take the same trades if you want to. But other than that, like, if you didn't take the trade, you would have got value out of the trade as well. Because I broke down the trade, so you would have got value out of the trade as well as the pips. If you didn't take the trade, then you would have got value out of the trade. You know, you would have seen how I broke it down. You know how I analyzed it from top to bottom. It's all there, guys. If you guys missed it all, don't worry about it. You go back on the stream later on and watch the replay. What time was the yo? Do you guys want timestamp? What time was the first trade at? I forgot. Their first trade was at. First trade was taken at. Let's see.
6:25.
What time was it?
Oh wait, it's basically 7:25 for you.
7:17. There it is. And this trade was taken at around 8:01. I'll say. This trade lasted like 5 minutes, like literally like less than 5 minutes. $8:01. Oh, perfect. Perfect. You're basically a young version of Raja. I'm like half his age, guys.
Agent,
I'm
right?
literally half his age, man.
Man, everyone is different, bro. No.
If you guys made mine today, go on his stream. I'm the control FX made mine today. Yeah, tell him a younger version of him made you money today. He didn't stream yesterday, so I took over, and I made everyone money that did, you know. I made everyone money yesterday. I took over. Hasn't competition? Nah, man, it's all love here. I talked to Raja. I told him it's all love. He told me it's all love. It's all good here. Not sure if the link over Ted. In about a couple of weeks here. This is a clean trade, guys. Like, I know I said I was only gonna take one trade for a day, but this opportunity here was just lovely here. You know, nice little trade here. Now the only thing we gotta do is survive the runner. It's just a runner, right? Like I closed like 75% of my positions there on this trade, and the rest is just a runner. So I have a 24% runner here coming down to the next support. If it hits my entry, it hits my entry, but I'll be fine with that. But you know, I made some profits today. Pretty happy with that. I made about 20 pips today. 20 lovely pips. You know, guys, like, when you guys see like Wasteland has competition, this and that, I look at it like this. That's how I look at it. Go on Twitch, right? If you look at just like, okay, let me just pause this. If you guys look at just all the channels I follow, right? Look at this channel. So Nick Merckx, for example, is this COD, right? This is Nick Merckx, and like he gets about like I don't know, like 50K viewers live, per stream, average. Sometimes 100K, right? Live. And for example, this other guy here, Tim the Tatman, if you guys got up the COD community, he has like about the same too. So like, there's a lot of people in this world, bro, and honestly, it doesn't matter who starts first. It's just one guy can grow as fast as the other guy. One can grow way faster than the other guy. It just depends on like how much value they give. So like sometimes when they're on at the same time, like sure their views drop a little bit, but it's like still like around like 50K each at the same time, which is pretty nuts. So there's like if there is competition, then it's not like I'm gonna die out here because of people. There's other streamers out there that started before me. Like you can people can still catch up to you. And if you provide more content, more value, then I guess people follow you. Follow you and not the other guy. But yep. Congrats, dudes. I was all this going for the 4-hour wick next time learning. Yeah, man. I mean, yo, there's a 4-hour wick here. Like, if you guys look at GJ on the 4-hour time frame, this is the exact same thing that happened on the 1-hour time frame. You had a nice wick full candle, price came down, broke that wick. But yes, you guys don't understand though. Like, look, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. This is very important. So write this down. Okay, so the first support was being hit. So for example, let's go back a little bit. Let's go back to like this. Obviously, price is gonna come down to the support. Look left, there's traffic here. So price is not gonna break the support off the bat if it doesn't have enough strength to. So if it doesn't have enough strength to break it off the bat, what's gonna happen next? Okay, cool. We have that support being held here. We know that. Okay, let's skip to the next candle. Boom. What happens to the next candle? Since this candle right here closed bearish, nice wick that has tapped the support. Once the next candle breaks this wick here, it's gonna come down first. It's gonna be a waterfall coming down now because we broke the support already. But we didn't break it. We tapped the support already. We made a support, but now the support relies on this candle now instead of this body here looking left. Right now you can just rely on this one candle here to the left instead of this whole entire body, meaning that this candle wick is very weak compared to this body. So that's why when price comes down to break the wick here, it's gonna be a waterfall coming down. Because it's like saying price comes down and as it retests the low again, the second time around, it has a higher chance of coming down. So that's why all y'all streamers say whenever price retests the highs or lows the second time around, it has a way higher chance of coming down or up the second time. Because on a smaller time frame, this may just look like a one candle, but on a smaller time frame, all that is this: you have candle coming down, and then eventually you have a bullish candle going up, right, like this. And then you have another bullish candle going up, and then now you have a bearish candle coming back down to retest the lows. Boom, like that. And as it retests the lows here, it's gonna break it and come down further. That's all that is on the smaller time frame. This right here is the, for example, 30-minute, 15-minute, whatever, and this is the 1 hour or 4 hour, whatever it is, right? That's all that is. It's very simple, nothing too crazy, but it takes a lot of experience, a lot of practice. I think Taj is in here, bro. What up, Taj? This guy's probably sleeping as well.
Bro. Yeah. Bro, I'm not asleep. I'm up.
No, you're not up, bro. You sound dead as shit.
Bro, I'm up. Bro, I've been up since 4:30, bro.
Damn,
Oh,
bro. What time is it
5:00.
right now? Oh, it's what time is it right now? 7?
5:17, bro. Where I'm at.
5:17.
Remember, I'm like 3 hours
Yeah,
ahead of you.
yeah. Right.
Yeah, it's been chilling, man.
15 closed bearish here. Nice. Once this next candle flips, should be good to go. You know, like after a trade just happens, like it's kind of just like when runners are playing out, it's kind of boring to watch, you know. Because usually for me, if I'm streaming, I'll be just honestly, if I'm being honest with you guys, if I wasn't streaming right now and I took this trade here and I closed half already, I'll be back in my bed sleeping. I'll wake up at 12, 11, like 1, and just, you know, I'll be back. If I wake up, it hits my entry or it hits my TP. It's either one, but it's not gonna hit my stop loss, you know. And I risk your profits. Because runners are very boring. It's, you know, it's something you shouldn't watch. Just let it chill, play out. Because the more you watch runners, the more you doubt the runner. You're like, shit, should I close here? You know, shit, should I just close here? Should I just let it go? You know, should I close another half here? You know, you start to like think, but like runners, it's you close one time and that's it. You don't touch it ever again. But yeah. Oh my god, I'll be back in like 2 seconds here. I'm gonna use a washroom. BRB. Alright. The boy is back.
think if the same pattern happens, I don't know, in the middle of the month, like the second week or the third, I
What
think this
patterns?
will be a waterfall, right?
Which pattern?
The same pattern that we took, broken the low, etc.
Yeah.
This would fly like a waterfall, easy.
Yeah.
There's
This.
no volume.
Yeah. I guess this wasn't enough. I don't know. Maybe like at 8:30 you can get some more volume in. Let's see. But yeah. I think for waterfalls here, for GJ would be below this candle. Below there you can get a nice clean waterfall move. Below there, get a nice clean waterfall. Move down to TP. Yep. So as I mentioned, this is like a nice waterfall move below here, because you know why it's a waterfall, guys? Because if you look left on GJ, you have like this area right here of just clean traffic. A nice 14 pip move. Come down. It's not the previous support. It's like more of like right here. But it's just these type of candles here. Like for me, I wouldn't enter off. I wouldn't enter a trade based off of this candle back here. I would enter my trades based off of these candles right here. You know, these current candles. These type of candles are just telling me in the back of my head like, okay, maybe once we break below there, we can probably get a nice waterfall down. So I'll be in the trade already. You know. I just know that okay, if you break below there, we'll come down further. It'll be much cleaner. In the back of my head, but it's not like something I'll enter off of. Like, oh, clean traffic there, I'm gonna enter right there below there. It's more of just, you know, like this overall general. This is already clean traffic. But clean traffic will be this specific candle right there below that range.
So the 4 hour will close within 35 minutes.
Mhm.
See.
This is an entry that we probably took 1,000 times on the streams, I think. If you guys go on the Instagram page, like just look at the Instagram page. You know, all our trades are just based off of clean traffic kind of moves. You know, this is clean traffic. Look left, clean traffic. This is clean traffic. Look left, clean traffic. This is clean traffic. Look left, clean traffic. No, like it's all similar. You know, look, I explain clean traffic moves, what it is right here. This is what clean traffic is. You know, look left. You know. It's literally all the same thing. We literally take the same trades every day on the streams. It's just you gotta realize when it's gonna happen and how it's gonna happen, and you gotta know what to look for. But it just takes practice, man. I'm telling you, it takes practice. And once you get it down, it's all you gotta do. The rest is just now at this point, it's increase your lot sizes. Depends on your comfort level, but but the trades are the same, guys. The way you manage it, the way you take it, the way when you take it, how you take it, that's all the same. What changes is your lot size, but that's it. and nothing else changes. Looks like GG is coming down here. Should get a nice pusher. You know, guys, after like months of after a month of actually getting my PC, I figured out how to take a screenshot. How did I do it again? Fuck, I forgot. It's no, I just Command Shift S. Oh man, I forgot. No, how do you take a screenshot again on this? Window. Windows Shift S. Windows. Oh yeah, Windows Shift S. That's what it is. After months of trying, because I came from a Mac, right? And like coming from a Mac, but it was much easier. I'm not used to this yet, and just took me a minute to get. Alright. Once third man can't close below his fan dump. Yep, it just closed below, my friend. So get ready for a dump, like you said. Third man can't close, you guys. 15-minute can't close bearish as well. So I think what you could do is you can move your stops to a 50-minute high here on your runner trade if you want. I'm just gonna let my runner position go. But my stops to entry as because I closed 75% of my profits here. But if you close like a little less, maybe you want to secure more profits. You can maybe move your stops to the 50-minute high if you want, because the price breaks the high, it's obviously gonna come up to the entry, right? So let's just see. Whatever floats your boat. Like, I wonder if this is normal, bro. But every time I wake up, ask yourself, do you ever ask yourself, like, on a new trading day every day, do you ask yourself, am I gonna make money today? You know, it's like you took a trade yesterday, took a trade the day before, but then today you wake up like, you ask yourself, you know, if you're gonna make money today, if those same trades are gonna play out again, like, do you ever like, you know, ask yourself that? I used to ask myself that. I used to be like, am I gonna make money today? Cause I don't know if I make money today, bro. I don't know. I woke up today. I didn't know if I make money today or not. You know. But I guess I did today. It's just like, you know, you just gotta do what you do every day, the same steps over and over and over and over again. Take a lot. You have one bad week, it's okay. Keep doing the same things over. Maybe adjust a little bit, but just general do the same thing over and over every day. It'll play out in the long run. One bad week doesn't determine the whole year. You know, one bad year doesn't determine the whole like decade. You know, just do the same thing every day. That's what I got out of this. That's the best way to stay consistent, man. To do the same thing every day. Be consistent at what you do to stay consistent. If that makes sense. Hey, we're pushing here. 30 minutes pushing down here on GJ. Should expect a clean traffic cannot move here. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Waterfall. Ooh, GG is pushing down. We're breaking these lows here, guys. Expect a clean waterfall move down to the TP level right here on this trade, guys. Bravo. Clean trade. What we're gonna do, image. Why is it not a PNG? I don't get it. Why does it not show up as a PNG? What? The waterfall?
Fall, bro. Yeah.
Why does it not show up as a PNG file though? I don't get it. That's weird, man. I'm trying to get it to a PNG file. What if I do this one? Let's see. PNG image. Go OBS. Upload this OBS image. Okay. Browse there. Oh, there you go. There you have it.
Yes, you got it.
There it is. You guys can expect this on GG right here. You guys can expect this on GG here, guys. Nice waterfall coming down. Ooh, shit, that's funny, bro.
What? It's gonna be red waters, man.
Red waters. There it is. I knew, yeah, there it is, guys. Fixed it. That's clean. That's a clean waterfall, man.
Yeah, 30 minutes and also in 1 hour. 1 hour also. You just broke the wick on the left. Hey, bro, when do you decide to take the position into swing trade?
What do you mean?
So, for example, right now let's suppose that I have a runner that is running like 30 plus pips, just a runner, you know. How do you decide if you're gonna close now or if you're gonna leave until Asian or until next day?
Depends on the daily target. Like this is my daily target, so I usually leave my runners to the daily target, wherever my daily target is. Yeah, I attempt it. It may 75% of the times it won't happen, or 80% of the time it won't happen actually. But if it does happen, it will make me a bankroll, bro. So that's why I do it. Yeah, it's pretty worth it. Runners are pretty worth it. It depends. Like you can put your runner anywhere you want. You know, it doesn't have to be where I put it. You can close here if you want, if you're comfortable with it. But usually, you know, I just leave it to my target. Especially if I close 75% of my positions, I just don't care about it. I just let it run, whatever it is. Whatever happens, happens. Cool, perfect. Nice waterfall today, guys.
I'm gonna secure something over here.
Yeah, you can secure some here. Boom. This runner is like a regular intraday trade, not really a swing trade though. Pretty clean, soft, lower trader. Cause like whatever like anything over 10 pips for me is a runner. This is me though. Like I usually close half at 10 pips, so whatever happens after is just a runner at that point. Share my story. Yo guys, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway yet, go enter. It's a free giveaway, literally free giveaway, bro. For a free course, man. It's free, man. 2 winners this time, 2 winners. I know I said 3, but the 3 winners gonna be the giveaway after this giveaway. So that's why I'm gonna do 3 giveaways. But you know, take it slow. This is only our second giveaway, so there'll be many more to come. One next month as well, the month after as well, the month after that month as well. Probably like once a month, or maybe once every 2 months. That's what I'm gonna stick with. But as the channel starts growing, just understand, as the channel starts growing, the less chance you have of winning the giveaway. So you better enter this giveaway, because if you miss this giveaway, because the last giveaway, guess how many followers we had the last giveaway, like back in June 2nd was a giveaway. Guess how many followers we had? We had 500 followers. I mean subscribers on Instagram. On YouTube, sorry, on YouTube. Now we have 1,000 subscribers. So your odds are a lot less. And ask Sharif. Sharif, you want a giveaway, right?
Oh yeah, I'm not feeling any special anymore if you're giving away.
I'm giving away your place, your crown. I'm giving your trophy away. Oh,
Waterfall.
TP has been smacked on GJ, guys. Woo!
Man, runner is not run, he's flying, man. 47 pips from early. Jesus.
Woo! Close
Oh.
here, guys. Gone. Runner has been tapped. Woo! Wee.
Beautiful.
Damn, beautiful trade, guys.
Beautiful. Oh,
If you guys took that trade, leave a like on the stream, man. Leave a like on that stream. Look at that. Beautiful TP. Look at that. Perfectly placed. If the TP didn't activate, just close it. You know, at this, don't be greedy here. But damn, 33 pips on this trade. Woo. This trade lasted about an hour. I mean, 30 minutes. Not bad. About 40 minutes actually. But damn, 33 pips, man. About 43 pips on the stream today. I don't know what to say, guys. Nice call. Live the vibe and energy, man. Appreciate it, bro. I'm guessing you're coming from the other streams. All good though. Good trade. Woo!
Beautiful.
What a
Now-
good
Yes.
day, man. Look at that. Look at that TP. Literally to the T. You know, your spreads might have not got it, but just make sure you close fold, guys. Don't, you know, if your spreads didn't get it here, just close fold. You know, don't be that guy. Because one time someone told me this happened to them, right? And they're like, well, I didn't close because I knew it was gonna come down for another pip. Like, what? And you know how much? I mean, you know how many pips it came back after? They're like in a 200 pip runner trade, and it came back 70 pips, retraced, because they wait for that one pip. So ask yourself, is it worth it? It's not worth it, man. Just close the full position here. Don't be that one person, guys. Don't be that person. But damn, what a beautiful trade, man. Holy shit. Woke up a bit late today. I'm missing the rest of the week. Yeah, bro, you can't miss the rest of the week, man. $30 pips today on the stream, man. 30 pips today. 40 pips actually. 40 plus pips today in the stream. 2 trades, 40 pips, clean, breakdowns, clean, markups, clean, everything. You know, broken down to the T, wick fill, waterfall, clean traffic below here, TP below there. You see, it's just boom, perfect stream. Yeah, now we just now we just gotta chill. I have a few questions about your service. Should I message you on IG downvoid or Control FX? Message me on Telegram. Right here. Top right corner. My Telegram right there. Message me there. See that? Yeah. Message me there. If you don't have Telegram, message me on my Instagram. Yeah. Message me on my main Instagram page. Downvoid. I get too many messages on Control FX.
Bro, you have a good day, man.
Yeah. You hopping off?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. You caught the cell?
Yeah.
Yeah, clean as hell, bro. Alright, catch you later.
I see you, man.
Yeah. Woo! Would you able to run through the buys that you took? The buys? You mean the sells? I already ran through them, bro. All you gotta do is go back. If you go to like, if you can, go to 801 and just watch from 801 till 8:45, like later on in the day or whatever you have a chance to, and take notes on it. But just watch those 30 minutes of how I took the trade and how I managed the trade on the second trade. On the first trade that happened at 7:17, if you look right here at the top left, right there, you'll see top left. So yeah, those ones you could go watch that from 7:17 till I think it lasts like 10 minutes or something. You can watch that as well, but yeah, I put timestamp so it makes it easier for you guys to watch. the fact they put in timestamps. Yeah, cause you know what I realized? Like, I'm like, what can I do that other streams don't do? You know? And what I realized was that they never put timestamps. They just, you know. So I'm like, okay, maybe if I do this, make people's lives easier. Cause when I used to watch them as well, I used to be like, where when did he take this trade? And I kept having to scroll through the whole entire video from clip to clip, and it took me a lot of time. So now if I do this, you can just, you know, all you gotta do is check my bottom screen, my time, and just match the time. All you gotta do. But soon I might actually put timestamps, like actual timestamps, like of when like like at the bottom of the description. You guys can click on it and go to the exact time, but that might take a bit more work. I'll see what I can do though. Alright, this move is their waterfall. Complete waterfall. Hips and knowledge for free. If you guys took that trade, leave a like. You know, we have like, I think earlier it was like 80 people who took the trade, 7 people who took the trade. Man, 7 people made money today, guys. So like, a like is free. If I gave you guys free pips, I would appreciate some likes here. I think we can tap about 40 likes today. About 4 more likes, guys. I think we can hit it up, do it up. Yesterday we actually got 100 likes. Pretty lit stream yesterday. I think yesterday was like the most viewers we had. About 200 and something viewers. Pretty lit stream. So what now? Man. What now? Now you just chill. Maybe if there's another trade, maybe, but I might be done for a day, man. How can I be part of the live stream convos audio? For you to be on Zoom calls, you gotta be you gotta have the course. You gotta be enrolled to the course. You gotta be in the Discord servers. In the course, only the course members have the Discord servers, so you gotta be there for you to get the link to be on the Zoom calls. Other than that, you gotta stay in the YouTube side. Secret society. Jimmy, you're here, bro. Yeah, Jimmy, hop on the Zoom side, bro. If it gets loud, I'll kick you off, but it's all good. Just cash 10k pips on USD Max. Ah.
Yo,
Yo,
they're fucking bullying my roof right now, bro.
it's not loud. I don't hear it.
Bro,
Yeah.
they're fucking bullying my roof.
How loud is it?
Bullying my roof.
Bro, like they're beating this shit the fuck down ever since like 6 o'clock in the morning. I woke up, I'm like, yo, I grabbed my staff, I'm like, who the fuck? And then I was like, oh shit, it's just like construction workers working my roof. I'm like, I forgot all about that shit. They all suddenly be like, get the fuck off my fucking yard, bro. I'm like, wait. It says construction on this shirt.
Language,
I'm like,
sir.
my bad.
Monetized.
Monetized, bro. I'm monetized now, bro. You can't do that
Monetized,
shit
bitch.
no more, though.
Oh, dang flabbit, mother trucker,
Yeah, there we go. That works
Flip
better.
flapper.
mother trucker.
You Tasha in here, bro? You
What
been
I'm talking,
mad
bro.
quiet, bro.
Bro, I just
Next-
been chilling, bro. Listening
tomorrow.
to music.
Tomorrow I'll be on for sure.
Ew, bro. Today's stream was actually so lit, bro.
Bruh, I
If
was-
Sa-
I'm
Sam-
watching-
Sam's
I was just
probably
watching
mad
off
right
the
now, bro.
YouTube side.
What's up?
I
You're on
was
the
watching
YouTube side?
off the YouTube side. Yeah, I was like, alright.
Oh, you're on the whole time?
comments are- Yeah, I was just watching the YouTube side. I was like, if I join, y'all finna just hear this pound downtown on my fucking roof right now.
That's not that bad, bro.
Nah, bro. Earlier they was going at it because they used the drilling tool. Holy shit! It sounded like fucking gunshots. I'm like, yo, who is airing my shit out right now, bro? I only got.
Wait,
hot
are they
dogs, bruh.
replacing the tires on your roof?
Yeah, they're replacing the roof because I had like hella hail damage. I
Oh.
just paid for it the other day. That shit cost me.
Oh, hail
goddamn-
damage?
Yeah, hail damage.
Damn.
Really bad hail damage. Yeah, and I paid for it. That shit cost me goddamn arm, leg, student loan, bro. Goddamn. Like what the fuck?
Student loan.
Shit cost you half a fucking student loan. My bad. It cost you half a student loan. I'm like, goddamn, man.
Yeah, roofing's not cheap, man.
Hell yeah, man. RP the profit, bro. Time to get it all back.
Yo, you like my waterfall?
Yeah, bro, that shit was funny as hell. I'm like, bro, I would check to be on the Zoom side, but they going pound down, bro. Going crazy. Like, bro, yo, if I was on earlier, you wouldn't have heard like, I'm like, bro, hell no.
That was a waterfall 80 man for sure.
The waterfall, that shit. Was-
Yo, look what I just saw, bro. Look at this.
Sure.
Look at this. Yeah, types of headaches: migraine, hypertension, stress, chain Nasdaq.
Okay.
Yo, people be trained like people really be trained like this. So funny, bro. Yo, you home today, Jimmy, or you working?
I'm working.
Oh yeah, you. I forgot.
Damn, I can't wait till the weekend, man. I'm cheating my barber. Fuck it, my hairline messed up. I'm cheating on him, bro. I'm sorry. I cannot wait a whole month, bro. Got me messed up. I get haircuts at least twice a month, bro. I cannot go another whole month. No, sir. Dang.
Yo, people are on a stream. Well, 80.
What's up?
After now that we took 2 trades, we're done. People just log off. We just leave the stream. I say, alright, thanks, bro. I'm hopping off now. Like once they hear me say, "Oh, I'm done for today, guys. All my 2 trades for a day," like, "Oh, that's it. I'm off of it." They're like, "No, fuck the value. I'm just gonna go for the pips. That's all that matters." Like we really went from like 80 to like 40. You know, not bad. About 50% decrease. But hey, we're about to get a raid here in like 2 seconds.
Buy sell.
Don't do it.
You know the only way the stream can blow up, guys? Is if
We talking shit. Like,
if you guys go on Instagram and you guys repost that stream on your story with tagging Guitar FX.
bruh,
That
you
way,
know,
we'll blow up.
I feel really uncomfortable right now. This is
ASMR?
sexual harassment.
ASMR?
This is sexual harassment. Damn, bro. GJ just spelled hell.
If you guys do that, I would appreciate it so we can blow up as a stream. You know?
I never had a man whisper in my ear before, bro.
Oh boy.
I ain't gonna lie. New
Uh,
things every day, bruh. Looking at us. Shaw.
It's a shot.
That's funny, bro.
Bruh.
Yo, Taj, how's
Yo.
your PC treating you, bro?
Bro, I love this shit. I just gotta make money on it, man. I made a little bit of money. I made 1,100 in 2 days, so
Oh
I'm
yeah.
chilling.
The PC's
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Shaw.
Sure.
Shaw.
But I've been spending that shit on parts, bro.
Bruh. I can't wait to see the bike, bro. That shit feel
Bro.
that look hard. All that money
Bro.
put into it.
Bro, when I
This
went to
shit-
Cali,
Yo, you guys ready for the raid? It's gonna go from 50 to like 80 in like 20 seconds here. Give it like a second.
it's about to fly back up. That's
10,
2 minutes.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh.
3, 2,
2,
1.
1. Four-star Army. Four-star Army. Four-star Army.
I never miss. Give it like 20 seconds. give it like a minute. Give it like a minute. Watch, it's gonna be like 80. 80, 90 around there.
Scammers.
Honestly, I just need a raid, bro. You'd be like, wow, this is a good raid. I made some money on this raid. Yo, he hasn't raided in a minute though, no? Forex Rob? Like I haven't seen him raid in a long time. Or maybe he deleted the Telegram channel. Cause I'm not in it. I don't know, bro. I think he's gone, bro. I don't know what happened to him.
Who?
Forex
Yeah.
Rob.
You didn't hear what happened like a few months ago?
They did jump him? That's what I heard.
They jumped him.
Yeah, I heard he got jumped.
He fuck
So
around too much, bro.
Yeah,
So
because
some Forex
someone
people
found his real address
and
and
jumped him.
then caught him.
I mean, yeah,
'Cause
he's
he
a...
works at
Oh, there it
he
is,
works at
guys.
hedge
80
fund.
viewers, you know. He works at where?
He works at this hedge fund thing.
So he's
They
an
call
actual
him at
trader.
work. Yeah, they call him at work, and then
Damn.
damn,
Yeah,
they call
nobody
him at
gonna
work,
jump
and
me.
then I think they waited for him after and gave him
Fuck
the pound
that.
down.
You ain't gonna jump me. Pop your ass.
30 plus, 40 plus pips today, man. Damn, oh damn. There you guys have it. See, I predicted the future. Mentioned how there's gonna be 80 viewers coming in the next 2 minutes here. Man, yeah, guys. I think for the rest of the day now, guys, you guys could look for I don't know, like GJ's next target looks like it could be at here 137.433, but you gotta realize that we're at this minor support here, and once the support breaks, you can look for more sells to come down to the support. But right now, it's just kind of kind of chopped there. Might be a little bit choppy.
What's up with gold? That shit.
Gold has just been ranging after the huge move.
Yeah, bro. It's been 2000. I ain't gonna lie.
You predicted shit, man. Yeah, man. I am Raven. You guys know Raven? You guys know Raven? That's me.
This man Don finna pop a blood vessel thinking about the next target, bro.
Yo,
boy.
ugly ass boy,
Mr. Grit Chin ad boy.
You missed 40 pips, that
Goddamn.
boy. God damn.
Born ad boy.
Yeah, your souls are hella clean, eh?
What happened, eh? My alarm didn't go
I
off.
ain't never finna miss those stream no more.
Yeah, alright.
I'll start betting on that.
Now what happened, bro?
My alarm, bro.
Again?
Again and again and again? You don't learn again and
And
again and again?
I'm waiting.
Snooze.
Snooze, snooze,
This man
snooze
clicked
time.
snooze as soon as it said 6.
Sam, low key, what I
Is
feel
that
like
Tosh?
whenever you say you never hear, I feel like you're like, cause it happens to me sometimes when you're sleeping.
Yo, I feel like.
And
yeah,
you
I
naturally
feel like
click
this
it.
morning, I might have just been me, like, just like waking up and being hella tired and just turning it off right away.
Rip.
Bro, they are going fucking insane on the.
You would have made over. I think you would have made over 3 bills today, Sam.
Where you caught the.
30 pips though. 4 pips though overall.
Elbows on this shit, bro. Alright, I think it's time to buy. Sniper entry, baby.
Oh hell nah, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, it's a
I'm
support, but
done for the
like,
day, bro.
I wouldn't, kind of risky catching off all night for. Yeah, sells below 137, 800. Below there, very lovely sells. Um,
Well, the way the 4-hour close doesn't
is today Tuesday?
don't look too good.
Is it Tuesday?
Yeah, hear
Alright,
that?
I'm gonna go get some main shots.
You hear that?
What's up? Yeah, I hear it. It's not bad though. Like, are you using your AirPods? If you use your AirPods, that'll be way worse. But you're using your headset, right? So it's like more like,
No, I'm using my AirPods right now.
oh, your AirPods. If you use your headset, I probably won't hear it. Cause like with your headset, it probably it's gonna reduce like background noise. It's crazy, but
Bro, I'm so lucky. I came on after like to calm down. But yo, that machine scared me, bro. I'm like, yo, someone's really airing my shit out right now. And I only got 100 rounds in my thing. So these boys are spraying forever.
man, it's crazy. People from like all over the country here, bro. They just message me. They're like, "Hey, I'm from Jamaica. I'm watching your streams." Like, damn, that's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy.
Bruh, when Brad said North Korea, I'm like, yo, you're taking mad risks with me.
Yeah, he's gonna risk it all. He's gonna risk it all for Control FX.
That's how it be.
That's how it
Kim
be, bro.
cannot stop me. Kim cannot stop me.
Hey guys, if you guys haven't done yet, go do the giveaway. Just realize the last giveaway we had 500 subs. Now we have 1K subs. So just imagine that next giveaway. Your chances are lowered every single giveaway. So, make sure you enter that. Enter that.
Someone said, how do we get a live stream? You had to catch 10,000 pips on USD Max.
Oh, you said that? I read it wrong. Must catch 10K pips.
That's the FTMO to join. That's like the FCMO to get in the Zoom call. I want to see a track history. USD Max only. 10,000 pips. Go get it. Bro, it moves like 100 pips an hour, bro.
USD Max?
Yeah.
What are the spreads on it?
Doo-doo dirt. If it's not in NY, then doo-doo dirt. He's only doing NY. Look at it, bro. 100 pips plus an hour.
Hey Sam, I'm trying my words on that for Sam.
Yeah, I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
I mean, how long you sleep for? What time you go to bed last night?
It's like 2. Bro, I need to quit. I need to quit all like forms of drugs. Like like nicotine, bro. I swear that shit. Like I can't sleep off that.
Cigarettes?
Yeah.
No. Oh, no.
Cigarettes. I ain't alive, boy. But nah, bro. We live in a sober life now, bro.
Vapor.
Sober life.
Sober life.
Bro, I've been sober for the past like.
Yeah,
I've been sober for like 4 years by now, bro.
4 years? What the fuck you been doing at 14?
I'm what?
This nigga was smoking
I'm
weed.
20, bro.
Oh, 16.
16.
That was the last time I
Man
touched.
smoked the most fattest blunt. It was like, I am done for life.
Don't
I
have
cannot do this no more. The doink, the big doink.
Howdy y'all, what's up? What up, bro? You're looking for sell, Sam?
Yeah, I might just.
Current candle?
Yeah.
I gotta edit this video after the stream, so I'll be on Warzone in like half an hour or something. I'm quick with the edits now though, so lit. I'm quick with it. Takes me like 20 minutes now. Edit on Premiere Pro, so I'm getting there. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something else, yes. Yeah. Alright, so
Damn.
I think I might head off soon, guys. But make sure you guys do that giveaway because it's a free giveaway. So go on the Instagram page, check the last post. Make sure you read the instructions. Make sure you follow the rules. Don't cheat. You know, because people are making fake spam accounts now to enter the giveaway so they can have more winners. I mean, they can have a higher chance of winning.
You will get exposed.
And you will get exposed, yeah. Like literally, bro.
You can get the most worst Jonas session for me, Don, Samuel, Locke, Taj, Sharif, everybody in this shit. You're gonna get the Jones session. Everybody in the zone. As soon as I'm gonna join you till you admit the truth.
Alright, catch you later, Henrique. Peace, Henrique.
Alright.
Appreciate you on the streams. When Sam wasn't here.
Tomorrow I'm lit for sure.
I was gonna say something else. Too late to trade a sell. I don't know. I'm kind of just at this point, like I'm done for the day. Like at this point, I'm technically my eyes are closed right now. I'm not looking at any other trades right now at all. So I don't know. Sells. I mean, look left. We have a higher chance. We do have a chance going down. It's just now you gotta figure out where you're gonna enter and where your stops are and all that, right? That's the hard part of it.
Bro, I put my stops at entry.
Oh, you entered right here.
I did not. Yeah, we're at this little 15 minutes of break.
Yeah. See, Sam woke up late, so now he's looking for late entries.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys got in earlier, if you guys got in earlier, the trades are ready, then just call it a day. You know, you don't have to trade. You don't have to cash this. Like, this is like a nice, like, it looks nice. It's a nice 30-pip move, but you don't have to catch it, bro. You caught 40 pips today within a span of 1 hour, so you're good for a day, bro. Yeah, just chill out, guys. Don't
Thursday, bro.
don't stress. Yeah, there's tons of news coming this week. There's tons of volume coming this week. Don't think
Thursday,
you know.
I'm gonna be super safe.
Yeah, like don't
'Cause
think.
Thursday is the voting thing again.
What would necessarily be as per your best of no. Down here. This 4-hour support here at 137,500. Next target for TJ. But yeah, guys.
Man, that was so clean. So on the Harley.
Mhm.
God damn it.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go lay my ass down, bro. Tired.
Alright, bro. Catch
y'all
you later.
tomorrow.
Easy.
Someone asked me earlier, how did I know it was gonna be a range Asian session yesterday? And that's because I'll answer it again because I feel like it was very important. It was because the day candle closed at this resistance level and it closed doji bearish, meaning that it doesn't have volume to go up, right? So, but it did close bearish doji, so it has a high chance of going down. But then again, the overall trend is still bullish. So that's why I knew that was gonna be a bit rangy yesterday in Asian session. To repeat that answer. But yeah, the New York session, as I said, where we had more volume. If you guys watch the what was it again? The analysis for Asian, right? I said how New York's gonna be a bit better than Asian session, and it was. You know, we came down, clean traffic candles, everything was clean. So, looking for entries now would be a bit more rough than earlier. So just try to take it easy, guys. But I'm gonna hop off the stream here, guys, because I'm kind of done for a day. You know. But yeah, peace, guys. Peace and love. Peace and love. Catch you guys. What?
I'll be on at 7 tomorrow.
Cap. Alright, guys. Catch you later. Peace.
7 for sure.
Yo, Sam, I'll catch you in a bit. I'll message you. Yeah, everyone. Thanks everyone for showing up. Peace and love.